Hello, educators. Did you know Focus is more than just a grade book? With a few simple clicks, it can transform into a powerful tool for cultivating a positive classroom environment. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to configure, award, and spin positive behavior badges in Focus from a seating chart. So let's access Focus and get started. First, you will log into your Focus account as usual. In the menu on the left, choose Positive Behaviors. The default setting displays items in a list view. Choose Configure on the right top corner of your screen. Once the Configure screen displays, enter the badge title. In the next column is a drop-down. This is where you will see all of the award types your administrator has created. So you will need to associate the title of the badge you created with an administrator configured badge type. To select or upload a new icon for the badge, click Select. You can select from the recommended icons or upload your own icon. To upload an icon, choose a file and select the file from your computer. Any icons you have previously uploaded will be available in My Icons. The new icon is displayed in the icon column. Select Push Notifications to send a push notification to the student and their linked primary custodial contacts when the student is awarded this badge. The student and primary custodial contacts must have the mobile app downloaded and push notifications enabled to receive the notification. Once you have configured your new badge, don't forget to save. Now that we know how to configure positive behavior badges, let's take a look at how to award them from a seating chart. You will select Done in the top right-hand corner. The Reward Positive Behavior screen will appear. Select Seating Chart. Select the Assign tab. Select the Badges tab. Choose the specific badge you wish to award, then click on the student in the seating chart. The badge icon displays on the student until saved. Click Save to apply the positive behaviors. If the Comment Before Save option is enabled, enter an optional comment in the pop-up window and click Confirm. To enter a personalized comment, award the badge. Click on the badge icon. On the right side, you'll find a designated area to add a personalized comment for the student. To enter a new value, use the provided text box. To award positive behaviors for all students, click the badge, then choose All Present. To apply the awards, click Save. Before clicking Save, awards can be removed by clicking the icon, then clicking Remove. So we have configured and awarded positive behavior badges. Let's take a look how students spin their badges. From the home screen, choose Positive Behaviors. This will take you to the Reward Positive Behavior screen. To spin badges from the student's available balance, next to the student, enter the amount to spend in the Spend column. Then choose Save in the top right-hand corner. The Comment Before Save option is enabled. You will be prompted to enter a comment in a pop-up window. When numerous students are redeeming their badges, make sure the Mass Award is turned on. To omit students who are marked absent for the current day from the list, choose the Exclude Absent option. Enter the amount to spend in the All field at the top of the Spend column. If an amount is entered that is greater than a student's available balance, the field will autocorrect to an amount equal to the lowest available balance. Once you've entered a badge amount, click Save. Again, if the Comment Before Save option is enabled, you will be prompted to enter a comment. You can view and edit a student's badge history. Click on the History column next to the student. The history includes a row for each time badges were awarded or spent. You will see the date, badge title, value, and comments. You can edit or comment for a row. To delete badges, awards, or spend, click the red minus sign. Deleting a spend line will add the spent badges back into the student's available balance. The row will be highlighted in red to indicate it was deleted. When you are finished, choose the Save button. Click the X to close the pop-up window. Focus's positive behavior badges effectively foster a positive classroom. Celebrating student success is as simple as taking a moment to acknowledge their positive behavior and hard work. Thanks for watching. Help us create more videos just for you by subscribing to our YouTube channel and complete our content request form.